So far, I have taken a 10.8% hit, but I've still outperformed TQQQ by 21.6%. Hey everyone, welcome to Million Dollar SIP, where I'm documenting my real time journey of growing my portfolio from $0 to $1 million in 10 years using a hybrid SIP strategy. This is day 23 update, and I'll take you through my investment decision, trade execution, and performance update. As always, I followed my structured approach to determine my daily investment limit. I first checked whether the opening price and closing price of the previous day's candle were above or below the 12 EMA. Since both were below, my daily investment limit remained between $200 to $250. Next, I switched to the 5-minute time frame to find the right entry point. TQQQ opened below the 12 EMA, meaning I had to wait for it to cross back above before making my entry. At 9, it moved above the 12 EMA, but I only received a clear confirmation at 9:15. At that point, the price was close to $63. If I bought 3 units, my investment would fall below my limit, and if I bought 4 units, it would slightly exceed it. Since my brokerage account does not allow fractional unit purchases, I opted for 4 units. So I bought 4 units at $62.97, investing a total of $251.80. TQQQ today closed at 61.60, down by 1.03%. Now let's take a look at portfolio performance. So far, my total investment stands at $5,110 with the latest TQQQ price closing at 61.60, which brings the market value of my holdings to $4,558. My average cost per unit is currently $69.06, meaning I'm sitting on a net loss of $552, which translates to a 10.8% decline. Since I started this investment journey, TQQQ has dropped by 32.4%, but my portfolio has declined by only 10.8%, which means I have successfully outperformed TQQQ by 21.6% so far. This demonstrates the effectiveness of my hybrid SIP strategy, which helps mitigate downside risk while allowing me to accumulate more units at lower prices. By following my structured approach, I continue to reduce my average cost while staying ahead of TQQ's overall decline. That wraps up day 23 of my investment journey. I'll continue sharing daily updates, and at the end of each week, I'll post a weekly performance summary to analyze my overall progress. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along to see how this journey unfolds. See you in the next video.